Bitcoin has overtaken Facebook and Tesla to become the ninth most valuable asset in the world. The price of the cryptocurrency hit new all-time high on Tuesday, taking it above $48,000 for the first time in its history. The gains push its market capitalization close to 900 billion, causing Bitcoin to leapfrog both tech giants in terms of overall market value. Other major cryptocurrencies have also experienced a significant surge in value in recent days, including Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The combined market capitalization of all cryptocurrency is now $1.4 trillion, putting it on line with Google. Bitcoin price skyrocketed as after Tesla revealed a big stake in the cryptocurrency and said it will start accepting payments in the digital coins for its product. Tesla announced on Monday that it bought 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin for more flexibility or further diversify and maximize returns on our cash. It also said that it may invest further portion of its asset in digital assets. This move makes Tesla the first major automaker to accept Bitcoin as payment. 1.5 billion held in Bitcoin represent about 8% of all the 19.4 billion that holds in cash and liquid asset of Tesla. Now, what is gonna happen to the price of Bitcoin? In my opinion, the Bitcoin price is going to skyrocket for at least few days after people realizing that the Tesla bought 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Is this the game changer move from Tesla for cryptocurrency? Some analysts said Tesla's investment could be game changer for the cryptocurrency. Vice President of Market Intelligence at cryptocurrency research firm Eric Turner says, I think we will see an acceleration of companies looking to allocate to Bitcoin now that Tesla has made the first move. One of the largest companies in the world now owns Bitcoin, and by extension, every investor that owns Tesla or even just an S&P 500 fund has exposure to it as well. Mox has helped to drive the popularity of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin and Dogecoin. By regularly tweeting that he is a supporter of cryptocurrency, he also joked that Bitcoin is his safe world. Earlier this month, the price of Bitcoin soared after Mox said that he was a supporter of cryptocurrency in an interview. I do think at this point Bitcoin is good thing, he said, and I am supporter of Bitcoin. And I think Bitcoin is really on the verge of getting broad acceptance by conventional finance people. He has previously changed his Twitter biography to Bitcoin. The price of Dogecoin increased by 50% on 4th February, shortly after he tweeted, Dogecoin is the people's crypto.